What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to sign up or create Udemy course instructor account. So you might be wondering how to exactly sign up as an instructor here in Udemy. Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to access their official website, which is going to be udemy.com. And in here, as you can see, this is the default UI that you should see on Udemy here. But this is just a window or the page for people that want to learn or start using Udemy here. But if you want to be an instructor or start teaching in Udemy, you need to go to the top right here and you should see Teach on Udemy link. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now it should redirect you to the teaching page for Udemy. So let's go ahead and click on Get Started here. Now from here, it's going to ask you to become an instructor here in Udemy, so you need to provide the following details. That includes your full name, your email address, and also if you want to sign up via your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account, you go and choose that one to make it a lot easier for you. So in our case, let's go and choose our Google account here. Choose our Google account here, click on continue, and once you've done that, that should automatically create your account. But that doesn't end there. You need to basically fill up some information here. So they will be testing you what information, really customizing how you use the actual platform. So first, going to ask you what kind of teaching have you done before. So in this case, let's go and say in person, informally here. It's going to continue. How much of a video pro are you? So let's just say I am experienced here. Let's go and click on continue. And expand your reach here. Do you have any audience to share your course with? So you can go and choose I have a small following. Let's go and click on continue. Now from here, as you can see, we've just created our account. Now here in Udemy here in the instructor page, you could go and just start creating your course here. Click on create your course. And in this case, you can go and choose the course or practice test here. So in this case, you can go and just find out what type of course you're making. But yeah, so that's how you create a, in this case, or sign up as a instructor here in Udemy. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.